Almost like a Reese's, except for way better. I mean, way, way better. Let me show you one of my favorite keto desserts. Little snack for the evening, help tide you over when the hunger bug's just kicking in just a little bit. First ingredients, you got to have some real peanut butter. 100% peanut butter, no sugar added, none of that crap. It's difficult to find in the Philippines, but anywhere else in the world you can get it. Next ingredient, 100% cacao, preferably the organic if you can. This is just pure chocolate. It's a superfood in and of itself, so it's actually really healthy. And the caffeine in here really does not affect your sleep. I looked into that already. The other thing I like to have is whole almonds, which if you can get them already pre-crushed up, it's better that way. It's easier. Roasted's even better. But if you can't do that, I blended some up right here. Last but not least, secret ingredient, little stevia. So what we're gonna do. Okay, let's see how it turned out. You can see it's a different day. I got a different shirt on. There we go. Should be nice and frozen. Let's take a look. Let's take a bite. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's nice and frozen. Oh my God. Okay, it breaks. Definitely breaks. All right. I'd say about that size chunk is probably plenty to hold you over. Remember, this stuff is calorie dense, so be careful. There's a lot of fat in it, but it doesn't really affect the glycemic index from the carbohydrates that are in the nuts. Almost like a Reese's, except for way better. I mean, way, way better. I would compare this to a Reese's peanut butter cup. Absolutely awesome. Just be careful. You can eat this whole thing, no problem. That's delicious.